garbage away.
Oh, what do you got?
I don't know.
Good girl.
Still don't know. Oh, very good. An ice cream scoop.
Remember? I was
Yeah.
saying that.
Excellent.
Yeah. Go lie down.
Lie down, Max. Max.
Oh yeah. There's a thing in it, but it doesn't make any noise.
You gotta pull it. It's a slingshot.
Oh, what?
You stick your fingers in its feet.
Yeah, see, look at the instructions.
No, the other feet. In the front.
Yeah, look at the instructions right there.
I can show you how it works. You just gotta stand there.
Oh, like that?
Yeah. Oh.
That's cool, eh?
This is Grandpa's toy. See, if you put both...
Yeah,
Very
his fingers don't. Well, he's got it oinking.
Very good.
You stylish, look at you.
Oh, good choice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should try one.
Yeah, exactly.
No, really.
Oh, it's not what it looks like?
No.
Oh, that's good.
Max,
No,